Oops, sorry.
No, it's alright. I haven't
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sails and Trails. My name's Nick. Thanks for joining me on my flipping adventure today. It's going to be like a really small little clip, really, to be honest. We're at LlanfairPG, we say. As you can see by the name now, it's basically a train station here. It's spot that it was the biggest name in the world. I think it's like second now, or maybe even third or something like that, but it's the biggest name in Wales, Llanfair, Porthgwynedd, something, I can't pronounce it. But we're just gonna have a little wander around here. We got the family, so we got Amy, of course, Theon, Aaron and Ruth. So we're just doing a quick pit stop here because we're going to make our way to Anglesey, but we just thought we'd come here for a little stop off. You'll see hundreds of people here, mind, just taking pictures of this sign right by here. Let's have a little look in the gift shop and yeah, chill out. So yeah, this is basically just it here. So I'm actually going to add this to a video alongside Anglesey and South Stacks, which is what we're going to be doing today. So Llanfair is actually a bunch of words put into a sentence, which is the Church of Mary in the hollow of the White Hazel near the fierce whirlpool, and the Church of Cilio by the Cilio? Oh no, I can't pronounce that right. By the Right Cave. It's cool though. Basically, it's basically like a gift shop and that here. But yeah, you'll see me next in Anglesey. So that little lovely morsel, nice coffee, kids sort of snack thing came to $13.95, which for kids it was a sandwich, packet of crisps, an apple, chocolate bar and a juice, which I thought was really good for £5.50, and the 2 coffees. But I think we're either going to do Beumaris or we're going to go to South Stacks in Anglesey, in Holyhead. Well, we'll see. It isn't a trip without Aaron wanting to go to a brewery or something like that, so we're here at Anglesey Brewery House. Let's take a sample. So before going to the South Stacks, we're actually gonna take a little stroll down to Elin's tower by here. Fiona's equipped, ready to rock. Still got a dummy in her mouth, but she's still an avid adventurer. Just doesn't particularly like the wind too much. You doing alright there?
But she can't walk very fast.
I know. You can see poking over, just over there, it's the South Stacks. Let's have a little look at the tower. What? As you can see, just going down here is where it starts to snake. It is very windy here, so we'll probably just see if we can go into the tower over there. But yeah. I can't get over how pretty this location is. So this is Elin's tower. It was built in 1868 by Elin. She's wife of an honourable gentleman. I can't remember his name exactly. Gosh, my hair is terrible. But inside there's some loads of cool things. We'll go inside and check it out now, but I just wanted to show you how cool these sort of structures are down this way as well. Look at all the rocky outcrops down here. Look at this. The lighthouse is actually a fully functioning lighthouse by the looks of things. I've just seen the lights going on, so that's quite cool as well. Let's go check out Elin's tower. So it's like a downstairs sort of part in here. There's viewpoints and all upstairs, so panoramic sort of views out. As you can see, still get some pretty nice ones from here as well, looking out over to the lighthouse. We're going to make our way out now and probably start making our way up to the visitor centre. Let's have a look. There we have it, guys. We are in South Stacks. Now I did do a video again. This is the second time I've done this. My hair is really not that good. You don't normally see me without a hat on, but as you can see, we are at South Stacks, Anglesey, probably the furthest west potentially you can get in the north of Wales. But yeah, really cool little spot. There's a cafe over that direction. Aaron had a burger, did a little bit sorry, but we are here just to have a little gander really. There's loads to look at. Theon's not really enjoying the wind, and I do apologise about the audio of the wind on this as well, but over there we've got the White Lighthouse of the South Stacks. There's 410 steps making their way down, sort of snaking their way down the cliffside. There's loads of other cool sort of features there over there. There's some more viewpoints over there. There's like a World War II feature sort of viewpoint. There's a puffin trail with another viewpoint over there. But this is basically going out to the Irish Sea. I think on a clear day you might be able to see over. I wouldn't quote me on that one, I'm not 100% sure, but like I said, there's meant to be puffins around here as well, so obviously I don't want to go too far down, maybe get into this or habitat as well. I don't really want to do that, but it looks like they might actually be closing up going across, because you can actually go over there onto the lighthouse. But like I said, Fion's not really enjoying the weather. I do apologise about the audio as well. My hair is terrible. I can't wait to put my cap back on, so we're not really going to stay here long. This video is actually going to be a relatively short video about Anglesey and what it has to offer. We decided to go to LlanfairPG first and just go there because it's, you know, the oldest, well, not the oldest, the longest name in Wales, I think. I think that's changed now, maybe, or in the world I think it's changed. But we stopped off then at Anglesey Brewery, which is actually quite a nice tipple. I had a pilsner, like half pilsner, it was okay. Aaron had an IPA that was lovely, and Amy had a half cider, which was lovely again, so well worth checking them out as well. But we're going to make our way back towards the car now. We've got our sort of look. I think Aaron's going to do a little video of this as well. Check out his channel, by the way. I'll put a link in the description. We're probably going to make our way now to Beumaris. So I've taken shelter in a little cubby by here to try and get away from as much of the wind as possible, because you can see the wind is coming from this direction going across, smashing the waves onto the rocks down below. But like I said, directly down below there's 410 steps. I don't think I can actually do them. But there, that is the lighthouse of South Stacks. You probably hear a big blast of wind now, but I'll show you the World War II lookout. Oh, and there it is. How cool is that? Obviously it'd be mega windy over there. There's the wind. Not so bad this way. So we're gonna make our way back over that way now. There's another little, I think it's Elin's or something like that. Down there, the little like gatehousey sort of looking thing. But yeah, this is pretty cool. £7.50 to park for the day. There's £3.50 for more of a hourly sort of rate. And then if you're a member of, I can't remember exactly what the membership is here now, but if you remember, it's free. So yeah, I'm gonna let Aaron and Ruth go have a wander down here. I'm gonna make my way back to the car, and I'll see you in Beumaris. Right, last one actually, before going to Beumaris. I should say there's got multiple trails here, so if you're an avid sort of walker, or you like doing walks on a coastal path, this place would be perfect. But there's the centre. I'm gonna make my way there now. Adam? That's Aaron. Right, and we are here in Beaumaris. Got Beaumaris Castle over there. We'll have a little gander at that for a moment, but we're going to check out this little strait here. So you've got the Menai Bridge over in the distance over there, somewhere around that way. We've got a little sort of like harbour sort of pier by here. Yeah, oh, that was hard work. That was. I got a backseat driver, so he's a pain in the butt. But we're all here now. It cost £8 to park. Last time Aaron was here, it was free. So a bit of a strange one, but we're all here. I think we can spend a little bit of time here now, just having a little walkabout and check out what's here in Beaumaris. But it's a pretty little place. But yeah, Anglesey's been really nice. Anglesey has been really nice. Just further on, just down there is Great Olm. I don't think it's Llandilo. It's the Great Olm, and then yeah, we've got some really cool views around here. So we're gonna grab Fion's stroller and check out the town. So Beaumaris isn't exactly a big sort of place. You've got loads of fish and chip shops. There's a lovely pub, I'll tell you the name of that when I can remember it. Actually, I'll put it in the description probably. You've got like the courthouse here, and then you've got this Beaumaris Castle. Now unfortunately we're too late to get in here. It shuts at 5 o'clock, and the entrance for adults is, I think it's like £10 or something like that around the area, but it's yeah, it's basically a moated castle. Yeah, right. Yeah, unfortunately we won't be able to go in there. Like, I'd like to go to as many castles as possible. Maybe we'll have to come back here in a later time when Fiona's a little bit older, so we can get her to go into the castle and enjoy it. But it seems like there's loads of different entrances. Like there's a bridge over here. Yeah, there's not really much to say about it because I can't get inside, but hopefully another time. What do you reckon, Aaron? Would you go in there another time?
Yes. I'm also pretty sure that this might be one of Glyndwr's courtrooms. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But it is tied to some Welsh king or something.
So we are actually planning most likely to come up here again because there's so much to do in North Wales and just such a limited amount of time. And hopefully we'll have Aaron and Ruth join us as well. But this is probably going to be our last stop in the trip around Anglesey. As I say, it's my first time here. The overall sort of feeling of this place, it's been really nice, to be honest. The food is fantastic, the views have been fantastic, and unfortunately we can't get into that castle, but another time. But I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you can leave a like, a sub, let me know what you thought about the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Click the notification bell or subscribe to keep up with new videos every week. We have more videos just like this one on the Trails and Talking playlist. Link will be in the description below. Or if you're interested in how I fund the channel, check out the sales and flipping videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.